We are only a week away from the official unveiling of the Galaxy S25 series. Promo images already leak Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra. Galaxy S25 series leak marketing materials confirm key specs and new AI features. We also get a sneak peek at the updated Google Gemini integration, with Samsung opening up its first-party apps to work with Google's AI assistant. The pricing for the S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra has seemingly been revealed in Europe. As you can see, all three devices in the lineup are around €100 costlier than their predecessors. Samsung's upcoming lineup of flagship phones, the Galaxy S25 series, is going to offer a ton of improvements over the current lineup. The Galaxy S24 series, including brighter displays, a faster and more efficient processor, Snapdragon 8 Elite, revamped camera setups, larger batteries, and newer connectivity options. Galaxy S25 could be the first to get next-generation Bixby. It is similar to the new versions of Apple's Siri and Google's Gemini in understanding complex commands and remembering the context of the conversation. Samsung launched Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25 Plus, and Galaxy S25 Ultra, and Samsung Galaxy S25 family to give you free Gemini Advanced. This is the paid subscription version of Google's AI, and it's normally going to cost you $19.99 per month. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.